The Plymouth Rock is an American breed of domestic chicken. Plymouth Rock chickens, also known as barred rocks. This breed is used for dual purpose, that is both for meat and egg production. The Plymouth Rock chickens are classed as a heavy breed. The male Plymouth Rock has 4 kilos, and female Plymouth Rock has 3 kilos of an average weight. Plymouth Rocks have excellent egg production, sometimes laying up to 6 eggs per week. They lay a good number of cream-colored eggs, averaging around 200 per year. Their laying is strong for the first few years, but then a slow decline in production begins. Their lifespan is 6 to 8 years, but they can live longer. The Plymouth Rock chickens can be raised in both confined and free-range system. If you raise them in confined system, then each bird width require around or up to 4 square feet housing space. Make the house in such a way so that you can easily clean the house. Install good ventilation system and ensure flow of sufficient amount of fresh air and light inside the house. The Plymouth Rock chickens are very strong and hardy birds. Chicks feather quickly and are mature by 8 to 12 weeks, so they make good broilers. They have a calm temperament, and both males and females are generally sweet and docile. They do great free-ranging, as well as being contained in a run. They are not good flyers, so do not require high fencing. For commercial production, you can feed your chickens with ready-made or commercial poultry feeds. Or you can also prepare the feeds of your own. Just ensure that it is nutritious and of very good quality. Never feed your chickens with contaminated or polluted feeds. Always provide them with enough clean and fresh water as per their demand. Like many other domestic chicken breeds, the Plymouth Rock chickens are also very good breeders. Generally, 1 mature rooster is enough for successfully breeding around or up to 10 hens. The Plymouth Rock chickens are extremely cold-hardy and they come in a variety of colors. Vaccinate them timely and always keep good contact with a vet in your area. Today, the Plymouth Rock chicken is considered as a great breed for small farm or for raising in backyard. They generally require relatively less caring and other management. So starting a commercial Plymouth Rock chicken farming business is relatively easy and simple.